Hey, if you want to take 3D photos on the Samsung Galaxy S26, as you can see, it's available just over here. This is the 3D capture mode. Well, first of all, what you have to do is just to close camera and go for Galaxy Store. Now, go for applications, click here, and now search for Good Look. Right now, what you have to do is just to go for this Good Look, download this, and after it will be opened, we have to go for another thing. We have to go for the camera assistant. You have to open it, and now take a look. What you have to do is just to go below, and you have to go for 3D capture. And now, as you can see, when you open the camera, we can find it over here in the right upper corner. So now we have to rotate our phone to the landscape mode, and we can just start taking the 3D photos.